Here's a 1989 SMC Emperor that I got at the honey hole where I used to get fans at about 3 years ago. Yeah, I got this, and I got my Palmer down there that I got too. I haven't yet started that one up. Well, I'm thinking about putting it in here, but I don't know if it's even worth it since we're getting a package of 4 fans here next week. And I plan on putting the Fascal Charleston right here, I think. I don't know. Either that or the Hunter Comfort Breeze I'm getting too. But anyway, came with the original chains to it. That's all original to it. Only thing not though is this nut right there. The original one broke off. It's in that one of the drawers right there. But anyway, we'll go on low. Gotta kind of hurry up with this video. My iPod's almost dead. Alright, that's about how low it is. I'm gonna go medium. This fan likes to shake a lot too. This one likes to shake pretty bad actually. Good air mover though, I'll say that. Then we'll go high. Yeah, it's shaking. And off. I only use low anyway. That's the problem with me with huggers, is that they shake too bad to use medium and high with. Which is kind of disappointing because I like using medium or high in my bedroom whenever it's too hot. Prefer balanced fans. This one's got unbalanced blades, but low don't seem affected that much, but medium and high do. But yeah, I'd continue with this down. This I forgot the name of it. Anyway, I'll end it. Till next time. See you later.